Which portable electronic drum set for kids is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Donner DED80. First up is the Donner DED80 electronic drum set, priced at $301.92. What caught my attention was its 4 quiet mesh pads and a complete kit that includes pedals, a throne, and even headphones. If you want a drum set that mimics the real thing and supports your little drummer's growth, this is worth a serious look. The mesh pads provide a more authentic feel, making practice enjoyable and effective. It boasts 180 sounds and 30 demo songs, ensuring your child won't get bored. Plus, it has a built-in educational function with a drum coach to help them learn at their own pace. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 700+ units sold just last month, it's clear that many families trust this kit for their kids' musical journey. Now, some people have complained about needing a power amplifier for sound output, which can be a hassle. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a serious drum kit for long-term use, this minor inconvenience isn't a deal breaker. The overall build quality and features make it an investment worth considering. This is perfect for you if your child is serious about learning drums or if you have the space for a more substantial setup. Skip this one if you're looking for something super compact or if your kid just wants to bang on something without much structure. For the quality you get, it's a solid value. Now, if the price of the DED80 gave you pause, the next option is much more budget-friendly. Product number 2, ROCK-SOCKI Electric Drum Set. Next up, we have the ROCK-SOCKI Electric Drum Set, available for just $65.68. It's a roll-up drum pad that offers a fun and portable way for kids to start drumming. If you want a cost-effective option that's easy to store and play, this is worth considering. The ROCK-SOCKI set is great for kids just starting out. Plus, the built-in speakers mean they can jam out without needing external equipment. This is perfect for kids who want to experiment with music and develop a rhythm. Here's why this matters for you. The portability means they can play anywhere, which can keep them engaged and interested in music. However, some users have mentioned that the sound quality isn't as rich as higher-end models. Here's the thing, while it may not match the realism of something like the DED80, it's a fantastic starter kit for younger kids who are still figuring out if they love drumming. For that age group, the sound quality is usually not their main concern. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable gift or to introduce your child to music without a huge investment. Skip this one if you're aiming for a more serious drum experience or if your child is already at an advanced level. The value for its price is impressive. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a balance between price and features. Product number 3, EKMOND9 Pads Drum Set. The EKMOND9 Pads electronic drum set is next, priced at just $50.52. This roll-up kit comes with everything your child needs to get started, making it a great gift option. If you want something that's budget-friendly yet packed with features, this should be on your radar. The EKMOND set features 9 pads, giving your child more variety in sounds right off the bat. It has 7 timbres, 10 demo songs, and 9 rhythms, allowing them to experiment with different musical styles. The rechargeable battery is a big plus, enabling them to play up to 10 hours on a single charge. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Its compact and lightweight design means your child can take it anywhere, from a friend's house to the park. Now, some parents reported that the pads might not be as responsive as traditional drum sets. Here's the thing though, for younger kids who are just getting started, this isn't necessarily a deal breaker. They'll still have fun and learn the basics of rhythm without the need for a big investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a portable drum set that can entertain kids aged 3 and up. Skip this one if your child is serious about pursuing drumming long-term. For the price, it's hard to beat the value it offers. Now, if you want something slightly more advanced but still affordable, the next product is a great choice. Product number 4, Donner DED20. Next is another offering from Donner, the DED20 electronic drum set priced at $62.65. I was impressed by how light and portable this option is. If you want something that's easy to store and can help your child progress, take a close look at this one. The DED20 features 7 pads and comes with built-in stereo speakers, which deliver surprisingly good sound for its size. The soft silicone material means it's quiet enough for indoor play without disturbing anyone, making it perfect for apartment living. It even includes 40 free drum lessons, which can be a huge help for beginners. Here's why this matters for you. Your child can learn how to play without needing extra lessons or tutorials. However, some users mention that the pads can feel a bit too soft, making it harder to play with dynamics. Here's the thing, while this may frustrate some more serious players, it's ideal for beginners who are just learning how to drum and aren't focused on technical skill yet. This is perfect for you if your child is a budding musician eager to learn. Skip this one if they're already an experienced drummer needing something more advanced. For what you get, it's a fantastic value for a learning tool. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you want something with similar features and a bit more flair, check out the next one. Product number 5. Donner DED20R. Finally, we have the Donner DED20R, available for $77.05. This upgraded model caught my eye for its enhancements over the previous versions. If you're looking for a slightly better option with similar portability and features, this one could be the right pick. It still includes 40 lessons, making it easy for kids to learn at home. With 12 demo songs and 9 accompaniment options, your child can explore their creativity without limits. Here's why this matters for you. It balances fun and education, helping your child develop a love for music. However, some users have pointed out that the controls can take a little getting used to. Here's the thing, while it might feel a bit tricky at first, most kids catch on quickly and the benefits far outweigh this minor learning curve. This is perfect for you if your child is serious about music, but you still want something portable and fun. Skip this one if you need a high-end set for a professional drummer. The price is fair for the quality and features it offers. So there you have it. The Donner DED80 is for serious learners, while the ROCKSOCKI offers a fun, portable option for younger kids. The EKEMOND set is budget-friendly for those just getting started, and the Donner DED20 provides a solid learning experience. Lastly, the DED20R upgrades the features for a more realistic feel without breaking the bank. Whichever you choose, your child's musical journey is sure to be exciting.